Say hello. There you go. There's tomato. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. Hey, I am back with another vlog. It is Saturday morning. I have not vlogged this week anywhere near as much as I have been. Just because the week took a bit of an unexpected turn, like what? Oh. Yeah, tomato. Yeah, this week just took an unexpected turn and nothing bad or anything, just ended up doing things that hadn't planned on doing. So I didn't have as much opportunity to film, but we are back today. Yeah. And as you can see, obviously, little man is very happy. Wow. So before I get into today's vlog, I am going to just include a few clips that I did get at some point last week when I had gone into town. They come shopping with me, and it ended up being a huge fail because literally there was nothing new really and nothing to show you. So I did get a few clips, so I wanted to include what I did film, just in case you guys are interested. But I ended up picking up a few bits when I went into town yesterday. So yes, before we get into today's vlog, I will pop in the footage from last week now. I apologise if it's really noisy. I'm off on a baby-free trip into town. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me so we can have a look, see what's new in, have a browse, and yeah. I have literally got on the biggest coat that I could find because it's so windy. Proper like winter sun at the minute. So I've just come out to TK Maxx, not a lot in there. I was going to nip to H&M next, but it's starting to get a bit busy, so I'm going to go straight to Primark. I'm so unbelievably windswept. I look crazy. So back to today. It's Saturday. I am oh my goodness, if anyone has a toddler boy, tell me how you're dealing with the climbing phase. He's just climbing on everything. I have some bits to show you today, like a lovely little haul of some bits. I got sent a really lovely parcel the other day, which I'm so excited to show you, from a lovely little company on Instagram, which I know you guys are gonna love. I know. My family are coming round today to celebrate Dave and my auntie's birthday, so that's going to be lovely. Probably won't film much of that, obviously, but yeah, that's happening today. I need to get some work done, some housework as well. I'm absolutely starving this morning. I'm having one of those mornings where I've just woken up completely ravenous, so that's definitely on my to-do list. Yeah, what you got? And obviously there's already tidying to do at 8:30 in the morning, with Arlo having completely destroyed the room. So, gonna be a busy one today. What are you doing? Arlo. He's just on top of his like toy box thing. That's great. Right, Arlo is down for his nap. I have got my mid-morning coffee, and I thought I would show you guys what I have picked up. Yesterday we went into town just to do some like boring errand type jobs, and I ended up managing to grab just a couple bits. Me and Dave never really get to just wander around town together. Normally I go in with Arlo by myself, so we just had a nice little wander while the baby was napping in his pram. So I managed to find a couple bits here and there. I've said it so many times in these vlogs, I've got a really small Primark, so we don't get a lot of kind of newer collections in, and if we do, it's a very select like portion of the new collections, and then they go really quickly because there's not many of them. So this item I am so in love with. I swear I have something exactly the same saved on my Zara basket at the minute. So literally when I saw this, they were tucked behind another jacket and they only had a few pieces in, so I don't think they'd finished stocking it up yet. So I was like, I'm not even going to sit on that, I'm grabbing it straight away. So it's this jacket. How stunning is that? I'm in love, and it was £26. I could not believe it. I wore it yesterday. I'm in love. Honestly, how beautiful, and I can't even tell you how amazingly that fits. So I grabbed a small because it was literally the only one they had. I think they had like 3 smalls in and no other sizes, so I was like, you know what, I'm too in love with it to let it go. That was in Primark, by the way, I don't think I said. And then also in Primark, I grabbed this basket. Sorry, just clearing some of the things out of it. I grabbed this basket, it was £3.50. And basically I'm going to reuse this for some of Arlo's like occasion baskets. So Christmas, I did like a Christmas Eve box. I've just finished getting together the bits for his little Valentine's Day box. So I know it's really extra of me, but he loved like his little Christmas Eve box. I wanted to do it again, so I'm going to put a few of his little Valentine's Day little gifts in here, and then also going to reuse this for Easter as well, and any other future potential boxes that I may make. And then it can just be used for toy storage as well, so it was about £3.50. Grabbed Arlo some new leggings from the toddler girl section. I actually get these in a size 2 to 3 years for him because I find they run really tight from the girl section, sorry. So these are £1.30 each. I got black and a navy. I grabbed some more of the reusable face pads because switching over from the cotton ones, and I got a pack last time and they are fine, like they work and everything, but they do get lost in my washing pile, so I just needed more, and they were £2 for a pack of 10. And then I needed a new setting spray, and I just thought, you know what, I've not tried the Primark one, and Primark makeup has really been impressing me recently, so I grabbed this Prep and Protect refreshing setting spray with aloe vera, niacinamide and pro vitamin B5. It was a £5, so I thought I'd give it a go. And in the other bag, also completely fell in love with this. It was a sale find, and it was in a size extra large, literally the only one they had left, and I was a bit like, oh my god, it's beautiful, but extra large. So I tried it on and I just fell in love with it. So it's this oversized, obviously greyish, like it's like a warm tone grey. It's almost like mink colour. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's a big old, like just a big old coat, wool coat. It's got all the kind of utility details on it, like the straps. It's got a belt. I will probably show it you on at some point because that's not doing it justice, but it was £20 in the sale. I've been looking for a coat like this, and it's so heavy. Like these heavy coats, I feel like you would not get anywhere for £20. So happy with that as well. I do not need any more jackets, but I bought myself 2 new jackets. So I think it might be a sign that I need to do like a bit of a wardrobe declutter and actually get rid of some of the jackets that I've still got in there that I haven't really worn in a while. I kept the wrapping so I didn't forget to tell you I got a new bedding set and some pillowcases to go with it. So I got this set. I have already put it on the bed last night because I was so excited. So I don't know if you can see, but it's a blue and white stripe, very like Jerf Avenue Scandi style. It was £15 for a double set, and obviously it comes with 2 pillowcases, so I just got 2 plain white pillowcases as well. So the set was £15, then the pillowcases were literally like a couple pounds, I think. Beautiful, I'm sure you can see it there, but I'll show you properly another time. And then I got Velcro hair rollers, but I got the medium size, and I want to try these out today because they had like small, medium and large. If these work, I'll go back and get a couple more packs. I was tempted with the large ones, but I thought, let's go for the medium. I don't want full-on curls. I just want to, when I do my like bouncy blow dry kind of thing with my hot brush, I want to be able to set them in this to give them a bit of volume. So this was a £2 pack, and I thought I'll give them a go. If they work, I'll go get some more to do a full head. If they don't work, it's £2. Then in Boots, I got a new CeraVe face wash because we were out but I did use that last night. It's just the regular like gentle face wash in the green packaging, like green lid. That stuff lasts for ages, so I just grabbed it while we were completely out. Like I kept forgetting to get some more. And then, okay, this is going to seem really extra of me. So I'll show you what I picked up basically for Arlo's Valentine's box, because a couple vlogs ago I think I showed the Easter bits that I have already picked up. So for the Easter thing I got him this from Primark, and then this in TK Maxx, which is a Where's My Baby Chick book. So that's the start of his Easter box. Obviously I'll deal with that near the time. I just wanted to grab those before they weren't in my stores anymore. Then for his Valentine's Day box, just purely because I know he loves opening these things, I've got him a little love heart cushion. This was from, I can't remember where it was. It was like one of the card shops. I picked up another one of these books in TK Maxx for £4, but it's a Where's Mrs. Ladybug. It was, I didn't really know, like, I just thought it matched the pink and red vibe, Valentine's-y. There was not really going to be like a Valentine's book for a baby. I grabbed a fake rose from one of the card shops as well. I'm going to snap the stem off and like make it blunt so he can't hurt himself. But he loves my flowers, so I just thought I'll get him one of these like just fake ones because they were literally like 50p, so he can play with that because I know he'll like it. Then I got him a mini box of chocolate praline hearts, and also from one of the card shops it's a love heart shaped slinky. Obviously he won't be playing with this unattended because I know it can snap off and things, but he's just gonna, I know he's just gonna love watching us like do it in front of him. It's just gonna make him laugh, so that's going in there. I feel like I got something else for that box but I can't remember. So yeah, that's really extra of me, but it literally will cost me like under a tenner. I think that was everything. I think I'm forgetting to show you something because I bought Dave some bits he needed. So moving on, I'll show you the most beautiful package that I received the other day. So I received this DM on Instagram from a woman who runs a small business called Little Layla Wears, and I'll put it in the description as well so you guys can go check it out. And she asked me if she could send me some of her handmade hair bows, and if you guys know me, you know I'm obsessed with bows. I was like, oh my goodness, of course I'd love to try them out. And I did not expect what she was going to send me. Like, I thought she was going to send me a couple. Oh my goodness, if you are watching this, I don't think you are, but if you are watching this, I can't thank you enough. These are stunning. So Arlo did get in the box, so it's not as pretty as it once was. So they're all falling out now, but it's this box, and when I opened it, it was a full spread of hair bows, and they are stunning. Yes, they're in a mound now because, like I said, Arlo got into them. I'll show you guys these hair bows. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to wear these. So I think these are her newest ones that she basically initially said she wanted to send me, and they are these like velvet, if you can see, they're velvet, slightly ribbed hair bows. How stunning. And this colour, excuse me, if you guys know, if you guys seen any of Arlo's outfits, you know that this is one of my favourite colours, this like sage green. But this, I'm so excited to wear these. Gorgeous quality, I can't even, oh, stunning. Then we've got two of these like smaller, kind of almost silkier ones. How beautiful. Then we've got this like peachy kind of ribbed one, which is gorgeous, and this super silky kind of frayed pink one. How perfect are these for Valentine's Day as well. Then two of these mini little kind of boucle bobble clips. Excuse me. Oh, I get way too excited over hair accessories. Then these two mini lace ones. How cute would these look with little like braids or something? And then two more lace ones. I'm saving my favourite one for last, to be honest with you. Two more lace ones, and these ones are like slightly longer, which I love. Like, imagine if you're getting married or something and you've got like your bachelorette party. Imagine how beautiful. So this is like a beigey one, and then a white one, and then this is by far my favourite. I cannot wait for like a half up, half down look with this. It's just a silky ribbon, small little bow with long tail. I can't wait to wear that. Honestly, if any of you go to uni with me, like if any of you happen to see me around uni or just anywhere and I'm wearing a different bow every day, mind your business. And thank you so much if you are watching. for sending me those, and I 100% will be stalking your business for any new releases, because I feel like you've currently stocked me up, but by judging how pretty they are, I'm sure they're going to be even prettier ones coming in the future. So thank you so much. And guys, seriously check these out. If you are a hair bow girly like me, please check out their Instagram. Like I said, it's Little Layla Wears, and I'll leave it in the description, but they are stunning. I squealed when I opened this package. So on the agenda now, I'm so tired. I'm going to drink this coffee, make myself look a bit presentable, because my family will be around here when little man wakes up, and do a bit of tidying, do a bit of work, all the usual shenanigans. Yes, I want to try out my new hair colours and my hair rollers, sorry, and maybe try out that setting spray as well if I get a chance to do my makeup. But I'm definitely going to do something to tame with this hair. So yes, I will update you guys in a little bit. It's now around 5 o'clock. My family ended up staying longer, like we all just ended up chatting for longer than anticipated, so Ali's just eating something because he's so tired from like playing with everyone. So he's having a bit of an early bath. So I'm running that now for him. And then hopefully if he does go down a bit early, I'll continue vlogging just what I'm going to get up to this evening, because I have not been very productive today. I need to tidy. I need to cook some dinner for me and Dave for when he gets home, and do some work as well. So fingers crossed the bedtime routine goes to plan. And I will update you guys in a little bit once Arlo is down. So that is where I'm going to end today's vlog. It was an absolute shambles, I apologise, just been a crazy week, but I didn't want this footage to be wasted, so I thought I'd throw it up for you guys anyway. But yes, I do apologise for the chaos, and I will be back very, very soon in the next couple of days with another, hopefully more successful vlog. So thank you guys for watching, hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.